With the proclamation, we have transitioned from fearing to celebrating a constitution. It is my belief that this annual Constitution Day will be an avenue for a robust take on our Constitution, what works and what is failing. That was never allowed in the past. I want to encourage Kenyans to engage with this new development now and into the future in the interest of our nation. I'm being very deliberate here in my reference to the nation. It is my firm belief that whatever dreams we choose to pursue, either individually or collectively, we need to have a country first. We must preserve the territory known as the Republic of Kenya first. Then, within that territory, you can agree or disagree on the validity of our dreams as individuals or a nation. Since we promulgated the Constitution 2010, we have reaped a bountiful in some areas and a whirlwind in others. I wish to reflect with you on how some of the institutions that came with the Constitution have improved our country, where others have left plenty of room for improvement. Fellow Kenyans, before the 2010 Constitution, the High Court was identified as a core enabler of the maintenance and extension of tyrannical rule in Kenya. Out of that period, you can barely recall any decision of the old High Court that upheld the people's fundamental civil liberties. That is the period in which the Attorney General declared that the President was above the law. And I hope that my sister here will not follow suit. It was the period of constitutional amendment that removed the security of tenure of judges. Since 2010, the Constitution and Human Rights Division of the High Court of Kenya has set itself apart from the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court as the most effective vanguard of the people's fundamental civil liberties. The Constitution of 2010 came with a stronger mandate for the Auditor General. From an era where the Office of the Auditor General was heard of only once in a year,